First, on Sonic Universe, we're going to do epic battles, and it'll be awesome, epic adventures. And have fun. Enjoy the show. Going to the hot dog stand. Going to the hot dog stand. Yum, yum, yum. You know, oh my face! What happened? Coming to kill Sonic. Oh, what? What? I didn't do anything. You destroyed my universe. I did? Oh, I don't remember that. Oh. So you're going to do it that way, eh? But I'm going to do it this way. That's my way. Yeah. You say this is yours. What? That's mine. I just made that. Sure. Cover it up. Rip it. Oh, come on. I just made that. Who cares? Oh, my face. You have beat me this time, but when I come back, I will beat you. I'm going to get sent back. Zoom, boom. Oh, good thing he's gone now. Good thing he's insane. Imagine there's a giant puppy would just follow me. Yeah, what's that? Ow, giant puppy! Good puppy. You need to go back to your parents. You want to send you? Okay. Whoa, I'm not used to this stuff. I'm very not used to this stuff. Wow! I'm going to the hot dog stand. Hot dog, please. Sure. No. Next, on Sonic Universe, the very big deadly monster. Bye, kids.